Hello, rich kids. Do you know me? Forget that. Just remember the channel. This is God of Chelsea. And today we have finally what I told yesterday on the video as well. We definitely got Lille on the Champions League draw, and we are gonna talk about other teams that are gonna face each other on the upcoming game. So you maybe have already known that Chelsea will face Lille, so on, and we are lucky enough because the first draw was void, and this was maybe somehow a scam as well because United did not get on the group that they had to right to face, but they got who Villarreal, so which is against the rule because they were on the same group as well. So this can't be for real, but it is what it is. Beside that, we need to forget that, and we need to be ready for the upcoming games as well. February 23 is where Chelsea will face Lille, and February 16 is where the game will kick off between PSG and Real Madrid. And I like to check a laptop for you. Wait a second. Here we have. Okay. Who do we have? We have Chelsea Lille, Real Madrid PSG, Liverpool Inter. This is gonna be hell of a match. I really do hope that it is Liverpool who go through. United Atleti. The game is on the hand, and with United and Atleti last season they were fabulous. I think they were on a mood to somehow get on the semis, but this season they have been poor. And when I last time watched their game against Liverpool as well, they were somehow below their average. So things can go and go well for the United team. Beside that, City will face Sporting Lisbon, and I really do hope that City will smash them. I go. I think I will predict the goal after this match, saying first of all, the fixture is somehow easy for City, and so does Liverpool, who were on a Salzburg first, but they will be happy because they will once again go to San Siro to say that you will never walk alone, to paint it blue, no, to paint it red, as you know. But I really do hope that that will be the hell of a match, and the next match will be against Ajax and Benfica, and Ajax is a team who has been on a form, and Sebastian Haller has now 10 goals on his group match, which is equal to the record of Cristiano Ronaldo. Last time he held on 2015, if I'm not wrong. He had 10 goals in the group match, and Sebastian Haller is on the boards of breaking the history, equaling it, but nearly broke it as well because last night of Champions League he scored a goal and equal the tally of the Cristiano Ronaldo. Beside that, we have Bayern Salzburg, and Salzburg will definitely get beaten up, will get their ass beaten. I really do hope that because Bayern won't be easy, and even when they play below average, they will surely score 2 3 goals. But when it comes to the thing, that is where we definitely want to go and see the Bayern what they can do, even if they are not on their best level. If they put the gear up, for sure they will smash Salzburg, but if not as well, they will get the win and definitely qualify for the quarterfinal. And Villarreal is Juventus. This is like Spanish Burnley versus Italian Burnley because both of the team doesn't like to press as much as they do, or they all like to sit back, hold back, and things can go well for Juventus because on counter they are fabulous. And no disrespect to Villarreal, who were the Europa champions. Sorry, my bad. Europa League winner last term, and they saw a fight against Chelsea on the Super Cup final as well. I'm not disrespecting them, but when it comes to player like Alvaro Morata, although his finishing is too bad, but Chiesa, Federico Chiesa, Bernardeschi, and so on are the players to watch for because Max Allegri is someone who has experience on this level and has already gone to Champions League finals in 2016, losing them. Beside that, he was a guy, a manager who knows this competition very well. So does Unai Emery. So Arsenal fan may be wondering now why it is important, why he was the guy to look after, and now they are running after Fortreta, winning a game, trusting the process, losing the game, get the Arteta out. This goes on and on. But here is the thing: I definitely hope that Juventus will qualify for this, and that will be something good news for them. Beside that, I'm gonna do something prediction about score as well. So last time my prediction went right because I really do hope that I really did hope that, and that came true. Chelsea will face Lille because we had a match that could be against Real Madrid and Bayern. I definitely didn't want any of those. I could have accepted up to Ajax, but Lille is something that we will be believing on because when you go into quarter, you have to face a team that are against the all odd to win the Champions League. But round of 16, you need to be at least on the boards to get ready for the next games. So here's the thing with Lille, Chelsea, I think it's gonna be 3-0, and you may have known that this term the away goal does not count, so it will go up to penalty. New rules. I think it is somehow good because home factor and away factor must be equal. That is the thing because you play near or farther. That does not mean a goal is a goal. Means one goal is equal to one goal. That definitely leads to extra time. So I am happy with this rule because away goal counts. That's the matter of fact. I really do hate it, and in fact you should as well because now the game is fear and fears. This is where things come to Real Madrid PSG. This is like Ramos back to his home, and I definitely think that when he falls, Benzema, he will definitely say, "Get up, get up, get up," because that's the thing you need to do. And I really do hope that Real, this is gonna be very tight, but Real will somehow get into because the way they are in form, I think they will go through quarter. And PSG are always bottlers. They are the bottlers because Pochettino is someone who has been bottling things in Tottenham as well, in now PSG as well, because they have not been gelling together in the Champions League, and they were very poor last time as well. But City was the game where they somehow showed their chemistry. But I think Mbappe, Neymar, Messi has not got something to show up against Real Madrid. Although Real Madrid have weak defense, that's the thing to consider. And I really do hope that Rudiger does not go to Real Madrid because Rudiger deserves a new contract on Chelsea and hope he stays forever unless and until he plays. That's the thing. And Liverpool Inter is something. Inter is something that I really think will be the match of the to watch for because Liverpool will smash them no matter what. Because Inter, the main target of Inter is not to go through to the semis or finals or quarterfinals, but their target is to at least win Scudetto. And they have been on the top of the table as well, with Roma winning the game against finally. Jose Mourinho has something to cheer up. Beside that, United Atleti, I already told that I think it's going to be a tied match. Uh, but I definitely go vote well for Atletico Madrid, and it's gonna be I think 3-2, and Liverpool Inter is like 4-3, no 5-3, 5-3 because something Liverpool will definitely go, and Salah will definitely score as you all know. He will at least assist. Beside that, I think City Lisbon sitting City will be City. That is for sure. So it is going to be at least 5-1. But Ajax Benfica is also going to well for Ajax because I personally think that Ajax will at least qualify for semis this term as well because Erling Haaland has been fabulous as always. Beside that, I like to finish off with Bayern, and Bayern is will definitely smash Salzburg, so it's gonna be 6-0 between two legs. And Villarreal Juventus, it's gonna be tight, maybe 3-2 to Juventus. Okay, thank you for subscribing my channel. If you are new, feel just free to subscribe the channel and help me and support the Support the support. Okay, bad. That is what I definitely don't want to say, because support my channel, and thank you for those who have been supporting me till now. And see you. Bye bye. We will be back, including you and me. Okay.